Okay, let's blow this pin up, or blue, or how you say it. I don't mean any explosives, but blowing with this AEG thing what I made. So this is the AEG Electrolux pin, and this is going to be the next whole vacuum. So filter, and this doesn't need blowing, and very dirty cyclone unit, and the pin itself. So let's start with the filter. Okay, so they are now pretty much clean as they can, and I usually wash these, but for especially this, okay, it's very dark now because I just sold my phone, and better phone is coming Friday. So when you wash those, that cyclone unit has so much grooves and pockets and so on that it takes a long time to dry. So there is that, but it is ready, and I can enjoy the nature. So there is that, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.